There are 3 simple questions that every woman should ask that will help them stand out from all other women when it comes to getting a man's attention and love. How do you become his secret obsession? It is when you tap into a man's most primal, inner desire. He literally becomes obsessed with you. Men secretly want just one thing, and once you understand this one crucial craving, it will be clear why it's the #1 reason men pull away when missing from a relationship. This one secret male obsession is the key to being truly irresistible to a man, far beyond physical attraction. And when you know it, you'll never struggle to keep a man connected on a deep emotional level the way most women do, the loving companionship and romance that you deserve. If you want to uncover the secret male desire and find out exactly how you can use it to bring you and your man closer together, click the link in the description to download your free report and watch the free presentation.